In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Zoom app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, one thing you have to note is that when you update your Zoom app, you'll get the latest features. You'll also be able to fix bugs as well as security issues associated with the older version of Zoom app. So it is recommended that you regularly check for updates on your Zoom app. Now, for you to be able to update your Zoom app, you'll have to access it either through Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Zoom under my Play Store. So I'll go here and then tap on Play Store and then search for Zoom. And as you can see, my Zoom app is here. I'll tap on it. Then you can see we have this option to update our app. So to update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Zoom and install it on your smartphone. Now, once this is done, now you'll be able to start using an up-to-date Zoom app on your smartphone. So that's how you update your Zoom app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.